Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys see from the title below, today is going to be a very shady and serious video because I will be exposing my brother-in-law and my best friend. As you guys know, I've been in the picture for about 11 years. I've known Derek for about 11 years and I've known all his ex-girlfriends. So I'm going to be exposing who they really are, and because sometimes you might think you guys know someone, but the reality is that you guys don't. So I think it's only fair for me to expose them and let you guys know who they really are. And like I said, there's gonna be a lot of things that I'm gonna regret, and there's gonna be a lot of things that I'm gonna say, but I just think it needs to be known. Like, this needs to be known. So let's go ahead and start. Psych! There is nothing to be exposed. They are two wonderful people. Today we are not exposing anybody. There's nothing to be exposed in that relationship. But today what we are doing is answering some of your assumptions and questions that you guys have about the Deso fam. So even look at my heart is racing. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing like that. I was like, oh, I don't know how to do this intro. But you guys, there's nothing to be exposed. I had put on my IG a couple of days ago, ask me anything, ask me any questions. You guys, just assumptions of, me, my boyfriend, my brother-in-law Derek, my sister-in-law Sophia. And let me tell you, there was a lot of juicy questions, some rated R questions that I will not be able to answer. I will not be able to even say them out loud. So let's start with the first question that I always get. This was like my #1 question on IG, and anytime when I meet somebody, they always ask me this question. They always ask, is Derek and Sophia, are they actually like an actual couple? There is a lot of couples out there that are like fake, but this is not. This is not a fake storyline. This is not fake. They are married. They are together. They have been together for 4 or 5 years, and no, they're an actual true couple that love each other. So let's put those rumors to rest. They are a real, legitimate couple. They are both very hardworking, humble, and I respect them a lot. So love you guys, and they will be together forever and ever and have so many babies. So another question that I got from you guys, a lot of you guys asked me, do you have an OnlyFans? No, I don't have an OnlyFans. More power to all the girls that are doing it. Get your money, girl. But I myself never like really pictured me like the sexy one. So even when I make like sexy poses, I'm like, oh my god, this is so stupid. So no, I don't think I will have an OnlyFans. Maybe if I get the guts to do it, I will, because there's really good money in there. But for right now, I'm just a funny friend that just kind of just sits in the corner and laughs. So no OnlyFans. So Alyssa Witzel asked, how long have you and Sophia known each other? So there's a big assumption that I've known Sophia before before Derek and her were going out. But no, me and Sophia met each other through Derek, and it was probably like 2 or 3 months after he like started dating her, or like found her in Washington, Seattle. No, when I met her, I don't know, sometimes when you meet someone, there's like just a mutual like trust, a mutual like friendship that it just goes both ways. So when I met her, I knew that like she was a really cool girl. Like I told you guys, I've been in the picture for like 11 years, so I knew that this girl was like the one. Our friendship started growing, and I fell in love with her, and Derek fell in love with her, and they got married. So we've known each other for about 4 years, and I guess we'll be together forever and ever and ever. That was one of my like #1 questions everybody had actually asked so many times. Like, they think that I've known her before that, but no, Derek found her first. Mimi Lenz is actually my friend. She goes, if you had to choose between Ryan, Derek, and Massimo, if you guys have not seen 365, go ahead and check it out. I love that movie. Of course it will be Massimo. Sorry, Ryan. Derek is my brother. Cannot even think about that. But all the way Massimo. And actually Mimi Lenz does have an OnlyFans, so I'll go ahead and link her Instagram down below. Go ahead and check her out. She is amazing and has great content. It's Likely Sierra asks, when will Ryan put a ring on it? I actually got that question so many different times. When are you guys getting married? Are you guys married? That's like a big assumption. We are not married. We've been together for a very long time, and I think with different couples there's different goals. So for us, one of our goals was we didn't even talk about getting married. We just thought about buying a house, enjoying each other. That's not one of our goals, and it hasn't been. Maybe in the future it will be, I'm not sure. I'm a little bipolar sometimes when it comes to that. It could either be a yes or a no. So right now we're just living day by day, and we enjoy each other. Sometimes I hate him, sometimes I like him. With the relationship being together that long, there's gonna be good and bad. So no, we are not married. When is he gonna put a ring on it? I don't know, you guys ask him. Will I say yes? I don't know. NY is red 19. All I gotta say is that I love when you say, oh no. Oh no. So, oh no came from me and Sophia. Every time we hang out, we're kind of like two big goofballs. And out of nowhere, something happened and we both at the same time said, oh no. So that's kind of like a little saying nowadays. Like anytime something happens, that's what we say. If you guys watch my videos, I do say that a lot. It's just kind of a funny phrase. Anybody that has a best friend and they both have a phrase, it just happens. So I think it became a little bit popular on my channel. So, oh no. Another question I have from Christina Halfpenny 6. Are you, Sophia, trying to have a baby at the same time? If so, how fun and awesome would that be? It would be a blessing. I think that if we do have babies at the same time, it would be a blessing for both of us. I think that having kids around the same age, even like a couple of months or a year apart, I would love for all, you know, all of our kids to grow up together, hang out together. So I think that would be a blessing, and you never know, you have to stay tuned. Maybe we will have kids together. Lovely Stephanie asked me, how have you maintained a long marriage? I'm not married, but how have you maintained a long relationship? We just kind of just every day, day by day, we just kind of go and figure it out, and we really don't see a way out. Like if something happens, we just kind of figure it out. Sometimes it takes days, sometimes it takes hours, you don't know. We just kind of live day by day and communicate with each other. I mean, that's what we have been doing. Like I said, there's good and bad in every relationship, so just kind of figure it out. Some of these questions are a little too perverted. Like I have John 13 asked me, is it a landy strip or a bald kitty? I'll let your imagination figure that out, because that is just way too much information. Here we go with Julian Calderon 503. Have you ever had a threesome with Sophia? I think that people take this to the next, like, I call Sophia my sister wife because we are always together. I mean, Ryan and Derek always are together, so we're always together. No, we have never had a threesome. That is disgusting. Derek is my brother, and Sophia sees Ryan as, you know, her brother. So that will never happen. It has not happened. So with that being said, let me put that rumor to rest, because no. What I say is, oh no, it's not gonna happen. As beautiful and as attractive as Sophia is, I'm sorry, no. Let me put that to rest, Julio Calderon. There is no threesome here. There will not be a threesome here. She is my sister. I love her. And with that being said, I hope that I answered all of your assumptions, all of your questions that you guys have had in the past. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and ring that little bell right there so you get a notification every single time that I upload. Love you guys.